two different kinds of sequences. Remember, a sequence is just a list of numbers. And yesterday we had two kinds, arithmetic and geometric. With arithmetic, you do this one minus the one in front, this one minus the one in front, this one minus. And every time you do that and subtract, you get the same value. That's called a common difference. With the geometric one, you do this one divided by the one in front, this one divided by the one in front, this one divided by, and every time you do that, you get the same ratio, the common ratio. Well, today on 507, the only kind we're talking about are arithmetic. So that's one advantage. Today you know that they're all going to be arithmetic. But today's, we want to find term number 81. Here's the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh. We want to go out and find term 81, which you could do. Look right here. How many are you adding every time?
3.
Right? So you could keep adding 3, adding 3, adding 3. It would probably take you a while, but you could if you wanted to, right? But you say to yourself, there's got to be a shorter way. Yes? Yes, it's that formula over there. It looks like this. It looks like Tn equals N is the number of the term you're looking for. What term am I looking for?
81.
81. So my N in this case is going to be 81. What does T1 stand for?
First term.
The term.
The first term, right?
5. Correct.
It's the first. In this case, what is it? What's the
5.
first term?
5.
5.
Right. There we go. So this one, T1 is 5. The first term is 5. N is, we've got it, it's 81. And then I need to know D. What was D again? That's the common difference. Well, remember it's this minus the one in front. It would be 11 take away 8 is 3. And 14 take away 11. 3. So the common difference is 3. And all we need to do then is just plug all those values in, right? So term 81 equals 5. 81 take away 1 times 3. And remember your please excuse my dear Aunt Sally parentheses first. And then you multiply 240. You do this, and then add it up. And there's term 81. And by the way, a couple of things. It's Abby Meeks. A couple of things. If you if you don't show your work, you're not going to get credit. If you don't show the formula, you won't get credit.
She always looks good. Oh, yeah.
See Saturday.
We have most of
Can I have one?
No. Anyway, you need to show the formula. If you don't show this formula, you're not getting credit. And second of all, don't ask me for help if you start right here and plug numbers in and you don't have the right answer. I want to see what the values are, and I want to see the formula, and then I'll help you. Yes?
So can there be one that's neither?
Today all we're doing is, they are all going to be arithmetic. There's not going to be a question about it. They'll all be arithmetic. Why are you talking when I'm talking? Oh. Shh. He can do what he wants. He's not even in this class. He already watched the lesson once. So, questions on that one first.
It's more complicated.
So over here, we've got a little bit more of a problem because we don't have a list of numbers. They just give us two values. The second term is 4, and the fifth term is 22. And then they want to know a term. But if we're going to find this, the only way we can find it is by using the T1 plus n minus 1 times d. Which means we're going to need to know what is n. Oops. What is n? I know what n is. What is it? It's the number of the term we want. So n is 23. What else will we need? T1. And we're also going to need the d. So by using T2 and T5, somehow we've got to find these. Here's how I'd like you to do it, especially